Vietnamese street food.
I don't want that.
There is seafood.
I don't want fish.
Let's see. There is sausage place.
Holy, my God. That's expensive.
Elderflower lemonade for 30 crowns sounds good. Okay.
Do you like raw fish?
Not really. Not a
I like
fan.
raw fish.
Not a fan, I'm not gonna lie.
Do you like sushi?
No, not personally. Too much sushi makes me want to like throw up. So there is a few of these. Chill, bro. Gasoline grill.
Oh yeah, this is the place I was talking about.
Okay. So far, I've only seen like the elderflower lemonade.
Ooh, we should get
That's good.
smørrebrød.
Oh, they sell. Okay, smørrebrød. Now let's check it out. Beer bar.
I'll accept it.
La pasta. Smørrebrød.
It's more like for the experience, I guess. What is that?
Oh, sorry. My bad.
It's fine. This looks like good, to be honest. It's
Yeah, it
like
doesn't look bad.
Smoked salmon. Kind of pricey, but
Yeah, I mean it's just a bread, but
yeah.
this is the most traditional Danish food.
That's why it's so
Smørrebrød.
shit.
We recommend 2 to 3 pieces per person.
Yeah.
Of course you do. Be right back in 5 minutes, thanks. Okay. I mean,
I don't want to order that anymore.
I don't do either. I'm probably just gonna get something to
Just
drink.
the tacos. But I didn't see any tacos.
Okay.
So where the fuck-
Broens, I think it's the start. Either this one or the other one.
Yeah, let's check out.
Like
this one.
in the start. I'm only craving some lemonade right now, to be honest.
Alright.
So I might get some lemonade, not gonna lie.
You do you, king.
I'm not hungry.
You do you. Do you like crepes?
Crepes are good. I think positively of crepes. My socks just got wet.
Taco store over there.
Oh yeah?
We missed
You wanna go and buy a taco?
Yes.
A lemonade. Made in the house. Gyros.
Oh, actually, I kind of like gyros.
If you want, sure. Why not? Your choice.
It costs 99.
Hi.
Hello.
I just wanted the elderflower lemonade.
Just a lemonade.
Yes, just one. Where are you from?
From Argentina, and you?
Argentina. Okay, I'm from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
Yeah.
Are you on vacation?
No, I live in Sweden.
Sweden. Oh, you have beautiful weather today.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna try it out. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Elderflower lemonade, homemade. It's very nice.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very good. Did you order?
Yes, I did. I ordered the chicken gyro.
I'm drinking pretty fast. I'm almost finished, but it's actually quite nice. Oh, the seagulls are trying to, not seagulls, the crows.
Crow.
Crows are trying to get some food.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
So, I'm gonna touch it.
This is gyro, by the way. You Turkish hater.